brush my teeth. It's like 4 a.m. Some people are out, I don't know, messing around in the parking lot here, in a shopping center parking lot, which is really lame, but whatever. I had to open my door for a second to do something, and I saw out, like, well, I was looking, I'm like, what the fuck are these people doing? Because not only sounds like partying or something, but it was like people had drills that they were, you know, undoing the bolts on a car wheel for, which, hey, I'm not trying to find out anything that's going on here. But a guy saw me and he came over and he came right up to my window here and was like, hey, you want to look, well, he's like, hey, you want to look at my shit? I started clutching a self-defense item, honking my horn. I was looking at him. He walked away after a few seconds, but yeah, I don't want anything to do with this. I can hear yelling. Oh shit, people are yelling. Damn, man, I'm in no position to drive away. Yeah, somebody was saying, like, give me my fucking car keys. Damn, I wanted to brush my teeth. Now I don't want to get attention. Because I spit out the door. And I pour water on, the waste. What kind of lame-ass party concludes in a shopping center parking lot at 4 in the morning? My car's covered up in cardboard and stuff except this window, so if I start moving stuff around and then taking the sun visor out of the windshield and wiping down the window because it's got condensation on it, I wonder if that dipshit who came over earlier, like, are you looking at my shit, is gonna try and come over like, oh, are you still trying to look at my shit? No, the car is coming in the lot. But sometimes cars come in here. Yeah, they're going somewhere else. Oh shit, someone's screaming, get out of my fucking car. Don't tell me to relax, I don't give a fuck. I got money. Don't fuck with me. One car's pulling out. Somebody's saying, don't fucking play me. One car pulled away. There's been so much weird crap that's happened at this parking lot, and last night there was a really strung out, trashy couple here arguing, screaming with each other for what felt like 30 minutes, and eventually the cops came. There were like 5 cop cars and an ambulance. I don't know if like the guy attacked the woman or if anybody got hurt, but I could hear it all, and then I saw the cops and the ambulance. But maybe I should sleep in another parking lot. There is one around here with security that they don't care if you sleep there. Although I've had some weird wake ups there too, but I would hope it's not as messed up as here. Damn it, I really want to brush my teeth and start exercising. More cars pulling out. This is so nuts. What is there to argue about at a shopping center parking lot? I refuse to argue in one. Guy's like, you want to get in the car? And the woman's like, no, I don't. I can see shadows going to the cars. If you can see them on camera. The shadows, I mean. More people getting in cars. I can see the shadows cast against the wall. How long does leaving a parking lot take at late at night? Doesn't matter if it's 4 in the morning, 3, 5, after some stupid party or something. If that was me, I'd want to get home as quickly as possible. Hey, there are different people out there. You can see this woman walked away from a car, now walked back to it, and is getting in, all from the shadow. Getting out again, getting back in. One car is pulling out. There's 2 cars still. Alright, they're all pulling out now. Anyways. There, now I can get up and start my day. Take a screenshot for the video. Alright, that's it.